Welcome to watsonx Orchestrate. In this video, we will explore AgentOps, the operations and governance layer for watsonx Orchestrate. It provides complete visibility into your AI agents, empowering you to build, evaluate, and monitor them with confidence. With AgentOps, you can trace every step, run evaluations to measure quality, and monitor live interactions. This translates directly to faster iteration and more reliable outcomes. Now, let's put AgentOps into action with a practical, real-world example. Meet Ask Sales. Ask Sales is designed to support our sales team by grounding its answers in proprietary company knowledge. It uses internal documentation about sales plays to provide accurate answers to sellers. Ask Sales collaborate with specialized agents, including the ServiceNow agent for ticket management and the Offering Email agent for drafting emails using contextual knowledge on the company's portfolio. To enhance its capabilities further, we'll quickly add a Salesforce agent directly from the pre-built catalog. This way, sellers can recover customer data straight from Salesforce by just chatting with the agent. Now that we've seen the agent's components, let's evaluate its behavior. Built-in evaluation allows us to easily run quality-based tests to measure an agent's performance across knowledge and tool-based metrics before deployment. Through testing, you can uncover and fix gaps or issues before going live. We use a set of predefined test cases to compare the agent's responses against expected results. watsonx Orchestrate automatically computes detailed metrics for response accuracy, tool usage, and execution success. You can review the history of all tests to quickly compare how changes influence performance over time. Jumping ahead, with testing complete and quality validated, let's now deploy the Ask Sales agent to production so our end users can begin leveraging its capabilities. Once an agent is deployed, Orchestrate provides full visibility into its real-world usage. By clicking Analyze, you access the Analytics dashboard, where you'll see a daily overview of the performance of all agents in your environment. This visibility is further enhanced by the deep integration between watsonx Orchestrate and watsonx.governance. This advanced monitoring is enabled on an agent-by-agent basis. By toggling on the monitoring, Orchestrate and governance are immediately connected, and new messages will be monitored, guaranteeing complete data visibility for safety and compliance. To see the data flow in, let's switch to the end-user chat interface and interact with the agent. First, let's ask for the core knowledge. What is the pre-approved discount on the new sales play? Next, we'll trigger the Salesforce collaborator. Get me the contact details from my customer with the highest revenue. Now let's trigger the email drafting agent. Write an email to Lauren Boyle, offering our automation platform at the discount from the sales play. Notice how the agent correctly uses the company knowledge to answer our questions, as well as call the appropriate collaborators to execute these tasks. Finally, we'll trigger the ServiceNow agent. Check if this customer has any open tickets. Now let's return to the Analytics dashboard. Clicking on Ask Sales gives us a focus view of key metrics. Below the metrics are the conversation traces. Every interaction generates a trace, giving you a live log of the full interaction. Clicking on View Dashboard immediately takes you to the dedicated watsonx.governance dashboard. Here, you monitor critical business insights, like number of messages and average duration. To dig deeper, let's look at the Analysis tab. The Analysis tab gives you a dedicated view of performance at each layer: conversations, messages, and tools. By clicking to view details, you see essential metrics like token count, cost, relevance, and faithfulness for that specific exchange. As you build more agents and usage increases in production, the Analytics and Governance dashboards evolve with deeper and richer data. This continuous monitoring provides the insights builders need to stay on top of performance, compliance, and long-term security. Finally, for deep-level debugging, we can use the Traces view. By clicking on a specific interaction in the Agent Analytics dashboard, a window pops up with a detailed view of the trace spans. Builders can use this waterfall view to see low-level details of every part of the interaction at every span. This evidence is essential when pinpointing and optimizing multi-agent workflows. This end-to-end visibility, from performance evaluation to deep-level tracing to comprehensive governance and safety monitoring, is essential to making sure your AI agents are enterprise-ready. AgentOps enables you to observe, evaluate, and optimize with complete confidence. This is the power of watsonx Orchestrate.